Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato from Fiamma Canada, and today we'll be changing the filter on the Jura D6. What you need to complete this process is one Claris Smart filter. They come individually or in packs of 3. To start this process, you're going to enter the menu by holding the switch until you get into the main menu option. Once that's done, you're going to turn to the rinse function and select filter. At this stage, the machine will ask you to insert the filter. Now before you do that, we recommend taking the new filter, removing it from its packaging, and rinsing it under your sink for 30 seconds. The reason we do that is it's a lot easier for the machine to pull water through a filter that's been pre-rinsed. Once that's done, you're going to remove your water tank, take the old filter out, put your new filter in, refill the tank, and put it on the machine. Your machine will now ask you to open the switch. You're going to open the switch and water will pour out of the foamer. We do recommend putting a receptacle under the foamer, something similar to this. More of a pro tip, but you can also let it flow into the tray. Once that's complete, you've successfully changed your filter. Thanks for watching how to change the filter on the Jura D6. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada and check out our website, www.fiamma.ca, for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.